Hi friends, I don't know about you, but I've been hearing more and more about dermaplaning. It's something that I've been doing for years and I love it. It makes my makeup look so much better, it makes my skin look so much smoother, and it helps my skincare work even better. Alright, so first things first, you want to start with super clean and dry skin. And I'm going to be using my DERMAFLASH LUXE Plus Dermaplaning tool. Alright, so this has two speeds. I'm going to use the first one. You just press the button on the back. And the trick is that you want to hold your skin taut. That way you're not pulling or tugging too hard on your skin. And you're going to place the tool on like a 45-degree angle and use short feathery strokes, nice and light, and avoid going over to the same area too many times because that might irritate the skin. So just starting from the top here, gonna angle it 45 degrees, a little bit higher up from where I did my first stroke. Another perk I love about dermaplaning is it actually acts as an exfoliation, so it's going to help get that dead skin, that layer of dead skin off the surface. So I'm going to stop just about there because I have some active acne going on right here, and it's not great to dermaplane over that, so just avoid those areas. All right, let's talk about regrowth because the comments always go off about being scared that your hair is going to grow back thicker and darker, but if you're using the right tool and the right technique, you'll have no issue. I've been doing this for 3 years and it's not an issue for me. So I'm going to do my forehead now, same way, holding my skin taut in a 45-degree angle. Other places to avoid. You don't need to do your nose, and you want to be careful around your eyes. Definitely don't get too close. You are using a razor, so be safe. And when you're going around your brows, be careful not to take off any of those precious brow hairs. I'm going to move on to my chin now, just avoiding where I have that acne. So I'd say I like to do this about once every 2 weeks. You can do it more than that. Once a week is fine. I just have more sensitive skin, and once every 2 weeks works perfect for me. A couple things to keep in mind. You want to avoid active skincare afterwards. Think AHAs, BHAs, vitamin C. That might irritate your skin a little bit after dermaplaning, so just give it a couple days. Same thing with sun exposure. Be sure you're using an SPF, but also just try to avoid direct sun. Your skin's going to be a little bit more sensitive. And then with makeup, you don't want to put it on right away. It might irritate your skin. So I like to sleep on it, give it something like 12 hours, and then come back and put on your foundation. I'm so excited to show you what it looks like, so I'm going to see you tomorrow. So that's it. I've got my full glam on. I put on my foundation and it went on seamlessly. Dermaplaning is so doable and so worth it. Your skin's gonna love you. Your skincare is gonna work even better. I hope that you try this out at home, and thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next time. Bye.